What is up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Naomi, aka Ayo Nay. If you are new here, make sure you are subscribed down below. And if you're not, hey girl, hey. So as promised in my shopping haul video, I would recreate the look that I did on that video. And honestly, your girl's feeling herself. I really am feeling myself. But today I'm going to be recreating a Pinterest look that I found on, a Pinterest look that I found on Pinterest, duh. I do not own this picture. I've been trying like really hard to find the original creator and I have yet to find her. If I find her by the time I post this video, I'll definitely have her name in the video and also in the description box down below. But if I have not, if you guys know the original creator of this look, which I will definitely post a picture on the screen, let me know who she is so that way I can tag her on my Instagram post and in this video as well, because honestly, I wouldn't be able to create this look without her, so definitely tag that person down below. But to not make this video any longer, let's go ahead and jump into the video. And yeah, so starting off with concealer, I'm going to use my Colourpop concealer in the shade Dark 40 as my base, and I'm just going to put that all over my eye. And I'm just going to use this Coastal Scents brush to blend it out. Then I'm going to go into the Masquerade palette by Juvias. I'm going to go in with this contour brush by by e.l.f. Mix these two together, because on the picture, like, I don't know, it gives like this burnt orange red sunset type thing. So I'm gonna go in with those two colors, mix them, kind of start right here, dab that in there real quick. Once again, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to sound professional, but I honestly don't know what I'm doing. Just kind of keep like dabbing that above, like, so this is my eyelid right here, above, like, what is that called? Your crease? I don't know. I honestly don't know. Yeah, I don't know if that's my crease. Then I'm going to go in with Zobo right here. This shade, it's like it's a pretty color. It's super pretty. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm gonna dab it in, and then I'm gonna like just like dab it in like I did Zobo. I mean Ida and Zulu, kind of like how I did that. And I'm just going to like just dab, really, just dab right above my eyelid. Like in the picture, it's like super, like, it's really nice. Like she creates a great gradient from like here to out. Like it's so pretty. Hopefully I can recreate this. So just gonna Alright, so I'm going to take this flat eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to go into the shade Macadamia. It's like a glitter purple, violet purple, or violet blue if you want to say that color, you know. On the outer and inner corner of the eye. Oh, look at that. Like, look at that pigmentation. Oh, that's so beautiful. Now for the center, I'm going to be using my, I'm going to be using this this is the detailed brush by Real Techniques. And then I'm going to go into my Colourpop Superstar Loose Pigment. This is in Gotlightly. And a whole bunch just fell on my lap. But this pigment is super, like, it's really pretty. You could use this as a highlight. I'm going to spray the brush just so that way it can show up a lot more better. A lot more better, that's not even a word. So it can show up, like, intensely. There we go. And I'm going to pop that in the center. Corner, she does like this bluish silver in her inner corner, and I don't have that type of color, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix two colors from my BH Cosmetic palette. I'm going to mix two of the shimmer shades. I'm going to use this silver color right here. I'm going to pat some onto the brush, and then Then I'm also going to use this shade down here and kind of mix the two up here in this little thingy. And then use that as the inner corner highlight. Alright guys, so I've already pretty much finished the rest of my face. All I need to do is highlight and then do the lower lash line. So in the picture, she has like this purple. So I'm going to use Mackendy to kind of like line the outside of my eyelid. I'm going to take this little brush right here and I'm going to outline the... Let me get a smaller mirror so that way I can see really well where exactly I'm going. So I'm just going to take that color and I'm going to put it on I don't know what it's called, but you know, the line right here in your eye. So yeah. So now I'm moving on to her highlight. It is beaming, like legit beaming. And I don't know if I have a highlight close to that shade. Let's see. Let me see if my e.l.f. liquid highlighter kind of matches it. And she definitely has an intense nose highlight, like to the point where it's kind of like, woo, child, it is beaming, honey. It is beaming. So, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Afrique palette and I'm going to use this color Angelique to try to highlight over that liquid highlighter. I'm not even sure if this is going to work or not. Hopefully, you know, we'll see. I'm going to go in with a little bit, not a lot. And then try to match what she has. Now she has it like intense, like. Okay, it's a little too much for my liking. I love a good highlight, but that's a little much. I'll come back and tone it down a bit. And we're just gonna do it on this side. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna come back and tone it down a bit. And then on the nose, like her, like the angle that she had, like it was beaming. And I'm gonna have to tone this down. I'm gonna have to tone it down. Tone it down. All right. So I think this is okay. Like, I feel like this is okay. Like, I can't see because I don't have my glasses on. So I think that this highlight is okay. I don't know if it's translating on camera. But I'm going to use Angelique to definitely brighten up the inner corner. Because I think once I did my full face, it all went, like, it kind of just, like, rubbed off. Eyelashes. So she has eyelashes on in the picture. Me personally, I don't have eyelashes because I don't know how to put them on. I've tried and I've struggled and I just haven't brought any since. I'm just gonna put mascara on and hope for the best that it plumps up my eyelashes to the extent of somewhat matching how she did her lashes, aka having false lashes. False lashes. I can't speak. False lashes. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Honestly, I do like it. I'm gonna like everything that I put on my face, to be honest. I do like it. I don't know. I feel kind of like sultry, if that's even like a feel. But I kind of feel that way. I give myself a 6.5. The reason why I say 6.5, well actually no, I'm gonna give myself a solid 7. I like that it's a mix of like the purple and like the brown mixed with a little bit, a tint of like red. I like that. Once again, I do not own the picture of this, the original picture. I do not own it. So definitely if you guys know who created this look, definitely tag that person down below. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. Rate a 1 to 10, 10 being the best, 1 being the worst. Once again, I rate myself a 7. I feel like I did this a lot better than I did the first time, and overall it came out pretty well. The highlighter, it's growing on me. It really is. It's growing on me. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like me doing these recreate eyeshadow looks, definitely comment down below to continue doing them. And also smash that like button so that way I know that you like them. And if you have not already, subscribe down to my channel and also turn on the post notifications so that way every time I post, you will know. And see you guys in my next video and enjoy some slow-mos of the look.